करण औजला आज के टाइम पे जो पंजाबी म्यूजिक इंडस्ट्री का सबसे बड़ा नाम कहा जाए तो वी वोंट बी रॉन्ग. So yeah, this is Om.K, and today we are gonna learn about Karan Aujla's life, and we all know he's one of the most influential figures in Punjabi music. भाई उनकी जिंदगी हमारी तरह आसान नहीं थी. His story is full of struggles and obstacles जो किसी को भी इंस्पायर कर देंगे to build something great. Let's learn how did he turn his passion into a successful empire. तो इस वीडियो को 4 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया हुआ है. अर्ली लाइफ, स्ट्रगल्स and the turning point and the rise. Okay, so let's begin. Karan Aujla was born on January 11, 1997 in a small village of Punjab in the district of Ludhiana. He वो एक बहुत humble और middle class family में grow हुए. He did not have access and he was not like very वो काफी वाकिफ नहीं थे पंजाब अभी like any kind of music industry से वो कुछ भी उनका लिंक नहीं था. Like most people in the villages, they did not had resources or any access to the opportunities like we have in the big cities. ठीक है. Obstacles in early life. He was not born with a gold spoon in his mouth. बड़े होते हुए he had a lot of problems and troubles. Being in a village, he did not had any access to the resources we have today, and he was often discouraged. जैसे हमारे दोस्त नहीं करते हमें डिस्करेज कि तुमसे नहीं होगा ये वो, बट ही वाज लाइक very much insulted from his friends and the people who were around him, and he had a lot of cultural barriers as many people don't. उस टाइम पे लोग म्यूजिक इंडस्ट्री को कोई एक अच्छा करियर नहीं मानते थे, और one of his biggest struggles was he faced rejections from the Punjabi music industry, even though he had like this thing, writing lyrics was his therapy, and breaking through wasn't easy. उनको बहुत सारे established artists के against compete करना था. So he had his turning point, and that was moving to Canada. Karan in 2014 he moved to Ontario with his family in search of better opportunities, because village में इतने ज़्यादा you don't have opportunities, and this was a foreign land, so this was a huge leap of move for him. But also he had the knowledge and he had the faith to work hard and turning struggles. At this time he was turning struggles into music. And like बाहर जाके आपको जॉब्स करनी पड़ती हैं अब्रॉड में, यू डोंट हैव द करेंसी उनकी बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रांग होती है एज कम्पेयर टू अस. सो ही हैड टू वर्क ऑन जॉब्स, स्टडीज वगैरह. एंड जब थोड़ा फ्री टाइम मिलता था करण औजला स्टार्टेड टू राइट म्यूजिक, रिकॉर्डिंग म्यूजिक, एंड जो भी उनके पास छोटी रिसोर्सेज थी, तो उन्होंने फिर एक लाइसेंस भी ले लिया. और उनका जो गाना, एक ट्रैक भी बहुत ज़्यादा फेमस हो गया उस टाइम पे. अब आ गया उनका टर्निंग फेस, करण राइज टू फेम. Karan Aujla wasn't just talent. He had a lot of hard work, ability. He was persistent. He was consistent with everything. Especially, he was an immigrant. He did not had anything. In 2018, his one of the song जो हम सबका favorite है, और मेरा तो specially personal favorite है, Don't Look. And this song brought him a lot of fame. और उसके बाद से तो बैंगर्स आ रहे हैं, आप भी सुन रहे हैं, मैं भी सुन रहा हूँ. एट दिस टाइम करण के शोज वगैरह बहुत ज़्यादा फेमस हो रहे हैं. डिस्पाइट, इससे हम क्या सीखते हैं, डिस्पाइट अर्ली रिजेक्शंस हमें नहीं मतलब रुकना है, ठीक है. बिकॉज अर्ली रिजेक्शंस आर द फर्स्ट स्टेप. वो कहते हैं ना, यू आर 25 फेलियर्स अवे फ्रॉम द मेजर सक्सेस. To work on it consistently. Now we will. What can we learn from the Karan Aujla's journey, as he has everything a middle class guy wants: private jets, supercars, mansions all around the world, doing shows. Oh my God! What else do you ask for? What can we learn from Karan Aujla's journey? Start from nothing, build everything. Karan Aujla के पास कोई connections नहीं थे. He did not had a lot of wealth. He just had passion and determination. Whether you come from a small city or big city, it does not matter. If your dreams are valid, you have to work through them. ठीक है. Obstacles हर किसी के पास होते हैं, कोई भी ऐसे नहीं होता. Even the rich people, if they don't have the good luck and everything, they do not work hard, वो लोग fail ही होंगे. Embrace change and take risk. करण औजला के लिए मूविंग टू कनाडा वाज अ बिग थिंग, इट वाजंट अ स्मॉल थिंग टू मूव टू कनाडा, लीविंग योर फैमिली वगैरह। ठीक है, कंफर्ट जोन तो छोड़ना पड़ेगा तुम लोगों को, और तुम्हारी स्टोरी मैटर करती है। अब करण औजला के लिए लिरिक्स थी, यू वुड हैव सम टैलेंट इनसाइड यू। ठीक है, अब इफ यू वांट टू हियर some more stories, so subscribe. I will teach you how to build wealth. Everything else I will teach you, everything that books, Atomic Habits, Psychology of Money, Surrounded by Idiots teach you. To wrap up all the story, from growing up in a village, Karan Aujla एक छोटे से विलेज में बड़े हुए, आज के टाइम पे ही इज वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट स्टार्स ऑफ पंजाबी म्यूजिक इंडस्ट्री। करण औजला की जर्नी हमें ये प्रूफ तो जरूर करती है कि सक्सेस ओवरनाइट गिफ्ट तो नहीं है, इट रिक्वायर्स passion, time, hard work, consistency. If you have all that, there's nothing stopping you. Even the divine powers are gonna help you. So hit that subscribe button and join me on this journey. I will be breaking down more stories and lessons from successful people to help you reach your goals. And if you want me to make any story on anyone, you can comment down below. Bye bye. Take care. I will be seeing you in the next video.